Assalamu alaikum for class. We are doing lesson number 4, dirty money. Now open page number 25, vocabulary. Fine. There is prefixes and suffixes. Before this we have done in 3 classes as well. So listen carefully. A prefix is a group of letters placed before a root word to make a new word. Clear? A prefix is a group of letters placed before a root word to make a new word. Example, un. It is a prefix. Popular is a root word. This word is a root word. Clear? So we will add a prefix before it to make it a new word. Clear? Like unpopular. So we will write it here unpopular. It became a new word. ये एक नया word बन गया है unpopular. Clear? So such type of words are called prefixes. A suffix is a group of letters placed after a root word to make a new word. Suffix जो है root word के बाद में लिखा जाता है. You can see here it is a root word. Flavor is a root word and less is a suffix. So when we will add both words like flavor and less, so it become a new word. You can see here flavor and this will less. Flavorless, it became a new word. Clear? Now some words with both prefixes and suffixes. You can see ऐसे words भी हैं जिनमें suffixes भी होता है prefixes भी आते हैं. Uncomfortable. Un is a prefix. Comfort is a root word. Able is a suffix. So irregularly, you can see here or ly. Ir is a prefix and ly is a suffix. Irregularly, disorganized, unknowingly, disrespectfully. Clear? Okay students, now turn your page here. You can see the box contains some common prefixes with their meanings. Use them to make meaningful words by joining them with the root words that follow. Clear? So you can see here this is a box. Some common prefixes are there with their meanings. इनके meanings भी हैं सारे. Look at this is a prefix, meaning and not. Un is a prefix, meaning and not and opposite. Prefix, pre is a prefix and its meaning is before. Miss mean wrong, re mean again, back, under mean below. Clear? Now these are the root words given to us. Students, you will do by yourself. So students, root words are given to us, so you will do with the help. You will put prefix in front of them. Clear? Now next, the box contains some common suffixes with their meaning. This is the box. These are the suffixes given to us in the box. Use them to make meaningful words by joining them with the root words that follow. Clear? So you can see here these are the suffixes. So these are the root words. These are given to us. So students, you will put here suffixes in after them. Clear? So you will do by yourself. Now next is complete the crossword. So students, this is a crossword. There is a these are helping to us. You need dash to buy a product or a service. This is the crossword. Fine. You need a dash to buy a प्रोडक्ट और अच्छा आप मुझे ये बताएं कि कोई भी चीज़ खरीदने के लिए, कोई सर्विस खरीदने के लिए हमें क्या किस चीज़ की जरूरत होती है. सो नंबर 1 पे देखें, ये देखें यहाँ पे ओ और ई हमें ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं. सो यू कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम दिस क्लूज. MONEY, money. With the help of money we can buy product or service. You will write here money. Clear students? Now the currency of Pakistan is, in previous lecture I have told you. So currency of Pakistan is rupee. When you buy something, here you will write rupee. When you buy something, the shopkeeper gives you a dash. So शॉपकीपर आपको क्या देता है, क्या बना कर देता है? रिसिप्ट, मीन रसीद बना कर देता है. So next is, when you sell a thing at a price more than its cost, you earn a dash. What is? 4 नंबर पे आ जाएं. प्रॉफिट. जब आप कोई चीज़ खरीदते हैं, सेल करते हैं सॉरी, किस एट अ प्राइस मोर देन इट को, उसकी कीमत से ज़्यादा पर फ़रोख्त करते हैं, तो आप क्या मिलता है? मुनाफा होता है, आपको प्रॉफिट मिलता है. यू कैन अर्न अ प्रॉफिट. When you sell a thing at a price less than its cost, you suffer a loss. आपको लॉस होता है. जब आप उसकी प्राइस से कम कीमत पे उसे बेचते हैं तो आपको लॉस होता है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? यू विल कंप्लीट दीज इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस क्रॉसवर्ड. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Substitute the group of words with the single word from the box. These are the box. This is the box. So with the help of this box, we will complete these blanks. Number 1. Someone who cannot read or write. Who is a person, any person who cannot read or write, called illiterate person. Fine. Number 3rd पे ये आएगा, नंबर 1 पे आएगा illiterate person. Next है life history of a person written by any other person. Biography. Clear? A time period of 10 years. 10 years का जो time period है उसे क्या कहते हैं? Decade. Clear? A traveler to outer space. What is 4 number पे? Astronaut. Fine. A person who visits places for pleasure. Tourist. Clear? That which cannot be seen. Invisible. Clear? So students, if you find difficulty in any activity, so you can take help from your notes. So come to the next portion. Page number 27. This is the grammar portion. Interrogative sentences. So students, you can see here, an interrogative sentence is one that asks a direct question and always ends with the question mark. Questions which begin with is, are, was, were usually require a yes or no response. Clear students? So students, here example you can see, is it raining outside? Yes, it is raining outside. So it is an affirmative sentences and this is the answer. No, it is not raining outside. Negative sentences. This clear students? So till here we will done. Thank you. But before say thank you, students, learn this page and this definition carefully till here. Okay, thank you.